Bonus time. Sold.
Well, guys, here it is. I bought another one. Didn't leak like that in the picture, so we're gonna find out what I got myself into here. No 6, 3500. Got it unloaded. Yeah, I don't know what about that leak. I looked underneath there. It looks like the transmission pan just has a whole lot of just wet around there. I couldn't see anything else up above that, any noticeable leaks, so we'll just find out. But first off, just like the old green truck, the adjusting sleeve here has done snapped. So obviously this guy just sideswiped something along the side of the truck. I mean, everything's good though. As far as like the inside, like the cab is untouched in there. Same thing in the back here, other than obviously out here. This is gonna be the hardest part. I'm gonna try doing that myself. I bought a cab corner and everything, so we'll see. I still need to find 2 doors and a fender, but yeah, right now though, ordered up a new steering kit, put that on, and then we're gonna see if this thing even starts. I've never heard it run. Yeah, just letting it charge up right now. The batteries were dead, and we'll find out here shortly, but I'm gonna get this on first. Real easy. This was a nice kit off Rock Auto, only like $400 shipped. So upgrades it to the T-style steering. So that'll be nice versus the old Y-style that's underneath there. So let's get that on, and then we'll try starting this thing. Many hours later, it's finally on. Don't trust Rock Auto all the time because they gave us a pitman arm. We took this one off after taking a lot of time to get it off, and the new one wouldn't go on. It's actually smaller diameter, so I don't know if they gave us the wrong one or whatnot, but either way, just continue to use that one. It's not at the right angle. The new one was like slightly down, so oh well. But it's all connected, looks good. I think it's straight, did the eyeball alignment. We're gonna see if this thing runs now. Let's try to start it up. Charging for a while, doesn't say it's all the way charged. I'm gonna get my little jump box, but here we go. Back to a 5.9 common rail. Let's give it a shot. Okay, here we go, first startup. Oh, she starts. Looks good underneath. Woo! Check engine light. I'll have to look into that. There we go. Woo! Cummins. It's a Cummins. Woo! Okay, here we go. First drive. Just put a mile on it going out of the neighborhood. And this thing is nice. Here we go. One little pull here. Shift's great. Here, I'm gonna roll the windows up. Let's see how quiet it is. Oh my gosh, this thing's dead quiet. Oh, I got a little air leak over here on my door. Could hear it. This thing's quiet as can be. Shift's great. I don't know why it was leaking fluid. Hopefully it's all good. But everything seems a-okay. This thing drives like a freaking brand new truck. It feels so smooth. Steers tight now with the new steering. Imagine a nice set of tires. Those things are dry rotted. This thing would be like mint. Obviously need 2 doors and a fender. This thing is awesome. I'm loving it. And we got ice cold AC that had like a brand new condenser on it too. This is great. Guys, it's been a couple weeks here, been working on this. I did get some brand new batteries for it, so it starts up, runs great. Did do some banging out here just to try to make the headlight fit. I got a new set of headlights here. I got a new control arm because this lower one there is a little bit bent there. You can kind of see it's just slightly bent. So I'm gonna put that on first, do an oil change, fuel filter. The transmission fluid was a little bit low after that leaking, so I'm gonna put about 2 quarts in there. Maybe we'll start off with a quart. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go get it inspected and see if this will pass for inspection, level 3 inspection, and see if I can register it. Otherwise, I don't I think I might just buy a new one from the dealership Fender. They're only like 270 bucks. And I don't have to pay for shipping because it's a dealership. And then I have a guy that might sell me 2 doors. So I think other than that, I'm going to have to fix that myself. I have a cab corner. I got it for like 40-some dollars off Rock Auto. I'll worry about that last. I'm not too worried about that yet. And but yeah, I am excited to get this low mileage 06 up and running. And then probably gonna need to do like tires and stuff because those look pretty bad. And yeah, I'm excited. I think I might keep this one for a little while. I hope it tows my trailer well. My travel trailer. I don't think I ever made the video on that or never posted it actually, but I did buy a travel trailer, bought a Razor, have some Honda Accords. Now I'm a Honda guy. I don't know why, but I got 2 Honda Accords. And yeah, so let's get this truck here up and going. Yep, definitely a little bit bent there. That is, it's pretty bad. First ever truck I've had where I've taken these bolts off and they come off like butter, you know, like they were brand new. Nothing like a 95,000 mile Arizona truck. No such thing as rust. On the road, kind of just went through, did an oil change, fuel filter, put the new headlights in, as well as that control arm. Drives pretty great, does pull slightly to the right, but not, honestly, not even that bad. It hands off the wheel, and it's pretty good, honestly. But this thing's nice, cold AC. Just went and picked up some center caps there for the other side for 20 bucks, so not too bad off Marketplace. But yeah, this truck's nice, I'm loving it. Look at that, only 96,000 on there. It cleaned up pretty nice though. I'm happy. We're gonna see if tomorrow it passes the level 3 inspection. Look at that, you guys. This thing's getting 21 miles a gallon. Woo! Yeah. All cleaned up. It actually looks really good. New headlights. Just don't pay attention to this side just yet. Yeah, definitely need that fender and 2 doors. Cab, we'll see. I got the 2 caps, so at least we can get those on. That's what I'm most worried about, but I'm not going to worry about it until later, until everything else is done. Last thing on the list. But look at that. Truck looks really good. Paint-wise, it's pretty decent, except for on this side. The top of the bed and the top of the doors are faded a little bit there. So I might have to do some touches up there. But otherwise, this side's phenomenal. And I'm pretty happy with the truck here. It looks pretty awesome. I'm excited. Probably paid a little too much there at the 14 grand out the door. I'm probably almost getting close to being at 15 grand into it. But I mean, I've seen comparable ones listed for 30 with the same miles, 30,000. There's literally one right now listed with the same miles as this for 30 grand. So half price, salvage title will be rebuilt, hopefully, once we get that inspected tomorrow. So we'll pick up tomorrow with that. Otherwise, you can see all the new steering in there looking good. And all the Moog stuff and that new control arm back up in there. Not bent now. But yeah, loving it. Can't wait till it's done. And there she is, past inspection. Look at that, the new daily. The new daily. Look at that right there. Hey, look at that, top salesman spot. Woo! Man. Yep. If you guys need a truck that's not wrecked, come see me at Tempe Dodge. I can help you out. Look at that. I love it. This thing is clean, mint, and seats like brand new under here. I did order up a new cushion because this one's a little worn out. But yeah, this thing is, man, I'm excited. I want to keep this thing. I think I'm going to sell one of my Hondas and keep this bad boy. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.